I just wanted to share something with you guys. I don't know if you know about this, but there's kind of like a new thing for editing and for screen monitors and all that stuff that I got recently, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So it's the BenQ Screenbar Plus. Let's see, this one, the one that I've got comes with the desktop dial, and the really cool thing about it is, I don't know about you guys, but when I work a lot, editing and stuff on the computer, it starts to get eye strain and whatnot. It's also USB powered, and the really neat thing is the dial here. It just sits on your desktop and you just turn it based on the brightness and all that. But the really cool thing is you just push this button over here and you can change the color temperature. Now, I have a 5K iMac and it's got like the glossy screen. So when I looked at this, I was thinking, okay, is it going to cause glare or whatever? And it's actually not causing any glare. You can turn the lamp on top of the monitor so that you don't actually get any glare. And I've noticed that when it comes to editing and stuff, even though, it does light up the monitor really well, but also it just makes it a lot easier on my eyes. So it just sits right on top of the monitor. I've been using it for almost a month now, and I've noticed that I get a lot less eye strain. Plus, the really cool thing is you don't need a power supply. I just plug it right into the back of my iMac. It lights up all this stuff on my desk, so I don't have my eyes adjusted to the brightness of the screen and then having to look down and take notes and everything. Other than that, I just wanted to share it with you guys. I went ahead and got one for my desktop here. It's the Screenbar with dial. I hope that helps you guys, especially with everybody working from home and being on the computer a lot more and video conferencing and stuff. This definitely helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm actually going to put a link to the Amazon listing in the description so you guys can just check it out for yourself. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and I'll see you soon in the next video.